What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today. Let's go ahead and retweet out our stream and get some more people here joining us. I want to thank you very much for giving me your time today. I appreciate you. I am going to be giving you guys a great breakdown of SPY. We're going to be looking at the Fibonacci's, trading like a robot, and I'm showing you the fibs. The fibs are the way, guys. It's the truth. And once you start using it, you will never be the same. So I'm going to dig right into it right now. So let me shout out some of my members here. Welcome, Bad Indie in the building. Luca, Sharky, Roop, what's going on? Adriana, Roman Empire in the building. Alicia, good to see you. Sal Star, Niraj, Kudi, what's going on, brother? Thank you very much. All right, so there we go. Okay, so let's start our day right here. STK in the building. What's going on? And Whiskey Ginger, Dizzy, One Cap, what's going on? So here we go. Let's hit the replay and let's start the day off. All right, boom. Okay. So the first thing you always want to do, guys, is draw the previous day's high and low. Always. So that's going to always give us a good idea of where we are opening and what type of strategies we can use. So generally, guys, I'm going to show you some things a little bit more advanced today. I just want to really give you the education, guys, and what you decide to trade is totally your personal preference. But you need to have a good strategy in place with good risk to reward in order to make money. So let's focus on that. So the first thing we did today, guys, is an opening range breakout. So let's talk about how we can use the fibs with the opening range breakout as well. So let me go to my live commentary here and we can start with the morning, okay? So the first thing that I noticed, guys, here on the first 3-minute bar was that we were near the previous day's high, which was Friday's high. So we were right up against Friday's high. And for me, that is a sign of, hey, these shorts could get squeezed. I want to go ahead and take a opening range breakout. So that's what I did. So we went long at 9:33 and we basically hit targets, guys, within 4 or 5 minutes. It was absolutely powerful. So here we go. Let me just show you here. So we're going to go long once we break that high right there. Boom. Okay, so we're gonna go long right there. And then bam, there's your 1-to-1 right there. And then we kept squeezing higher. Beautiful. So pretty much right there, guys, we had an extremely beautiful Fibonacci play that I'm gonna show you now how the Fibonacci's interact here, and we're gonna switch to the 5. So the opening range breakout was very, very clean, very, very clean. Okay, so now how do we incorporate the Fibonacci with this? How do we do that? Well, the one thing that I teach you guys is the previous day's range. We always want to have that there as a reference. So here's the previous day's range, okay? So here's your low. So let me just extend this. So I talk about this in my books a lot, guys. Here's the low and here's the high. And generally what we'll see here, guys, is you see this 10% to the 272 is a very powerful reversal zone. We normally see that we can get a good reversal from this area over here, from this box. So let me put this box in green so you can see it. Let's do green. Okay, there we go. All right. So this area is normally an area for reversal because think about it like this, right? If we break into a new high, you see some of us got in long down here. So we're okay because we already made our money. But then there's going to be the rookies that are going to chase right here because they're going to be like, they're going to get all the alerts. Oh, we're breaking out, we're breaking out, we're breaking out. Then they're going to go buy at the very high, and the market loves to punish those type of traders. Hit me with a 4 if you know what I'm talking about. So this is the false breakout. It happens a lot. And what you can do to trade the false breakout is using the Fibonacci. So the Fibonacci is going to help you to see where those false breakouts can be. And what I like to do as well is look for these confirmation candlesticks at the levels. So you could see right here, guys, at the 0.169 extension, this is my custom extension for my book. You see we have an outside bar. So what does an outside bar mean? Well, an outside bar, it's basically trapping traders, right? Because we broke the high and the low of the bar. So we're trapping traders. We faked anybody that was buying more to the upside. So we're punishing breakout buyers even further. And then you can see from here, guys, boom, we start to retrace. Okay, so there is the action. This is the first Fibonacci play of the day. That is the morning leg. What I really like about this one, sorry, not the morning leg, this is the previous day's range. Okay, and what I like about this one a lot is that at the actual high, we had a confirmation candlestick as well. Okay, we had that outside bar. So the first thing is always going to be the previous day's range. And this is great because it's set in stone, right? It's set in stone. What does that mean? Well, the previous day's range is not going to change. Okay, the previous day's range will not change at all. It's always going to be the same. So this is probably one of the easiest ways that new people can get involved with the Fibonacci and start trading like a robot. So you have to remember the robot is calculating these numbers as it's trading, and it's saying, okay, this is a good short opportunity here, 16.9% extension of the previous day's high. Okay, so from here, this is a good risk to reward opportunity for robots. So let's say they went short on right on the 0.169 and they put a stop on the 272. So then, you know, that's a huge risk to reward trade for them. We could check it out right here. So we'll go short here and you could put a stop right on the 272 like this. And then just having this right here, get back down here, guys, that's almost 3 times your money right there. Okay. This is my Trading Wars Golden Indicators. It's for free on my Twitter and in the YouTube description. Okay, so that was the first one. The second one was actually one that was a loser. So we took a stop out on this one right here. So I'm going to show you right now. And it'll be easier if we go down to a lower time frame. We'll be able to see this even better. So let me hit the replay here. Let's go down to the 2-minute chart. I just want to show you guys the second Fibonacci play, which was the morning leg. So we had our high right there. Okay, and then we start to pull in. Okay, so the morning leg Fibonacci is basically always the first push of the day. So you're either going to have a push up or down, okay, usually within the first 30 minutes. And within the first 30 minutes, what you want to do now is you want to take that Fibonacci and use it and anchor it based on the first low and high. So right here. Okay. And we took this trade on the small account challenge, and this one was a loser. So I'm going to show you guys this. Right here, we're looking to get in near the 618, right around the 618, 786. This is the golden zone to buy because this one was a really nice opportunity because think about it like this. We have a retracement and it's lining up with the previous day's high. So we had a lot of factors there to support this trade. And we came in, we got filled. We popped up just a tiny bit. You could see we did react a little bit here, and then we just sold off right away. So sometimes that's going to happen, okay? So definitely that's going to happen. So we took a loser on that one in the small account, okay? So recap, we had a winner in the opening range breakout, okay? And then we also had the previous day's range, and then we had this morning leg was a loser, but then let's see how we can continue to trade from here. So hit me with a 4 if you're following me so far, okay? So the first one is the previous day's range. And then the second one was the morning leg, which was a loser, okay? And basically why that was a loser is because the bear algo that used the previous day's range was stronger than the bull algo that was trying to buy the dip, okay? So when you have a battle of robots, one is going to come out on top. So that's why you always need to have a stop loss, okay? So now what do? Well, we let the price action develop. And once we broke the 930 low, which was right here, once we broke the 930 low right here, now we have a different change in trend. What does that mean? Well, it means that now we actually have a leg down, an impulsive leg down. We have a leg down. And this is what I talk about in my Fibonacci book. It's called impulsive leg. Impulsive means it moves with force. Okay, it moves powerfully. It breaks lows. Like here was the morning low, it broke it. So when you have that now, you say, okay, the bull algo is done. Let's draw the bear. Okay, so let's go ahead and draw the bear. So we take the bear from the high to the low like this. Okay, and if the anchor goes lower, we just move our low lower, but our high is going to stay the same. And okay, so watch what we do. We just take the anchor and we move it lower. So we're just continually moving it lower until we start to retrace. Okay, so I'm going to do it with you. Okay, so here's a Nirvana. So this is one of the callouts in the room. This is a Nirvana pattern, which is a inside outside. I talked to you guys about this on the weekend. This one was a really nice winner here. And then look what happened right here. We came back to the 618, had a little rejection, and then we tagged the 786. So this is your second leg of the day. Okay, so today we had a lot of legs. This one is around 11:30. So this is what we call the afternoon leg. Okay. Okay, and this one was a massive winner. You're going to see that now. Okay, So from here, we roll over, boom, boom, boom. Watch this. Start coming down. We double top on the 786 once, twice, and here we go. Triple, actually, we triple top there, and then we had the final conclusion. Okay, so that's very key, guys, because look, if you don't trust the fib, if you want to learn more, just look at the price action here. Why do you think we actually reject on this level 3 times? 1, 2, 3 times. Like, this is a line in the sand. This is the 786 Fibonacci of the bear algorithm. Hit me with the 3 if you're following me there. Hit me with the 3 if you're following me. And then what we'll do here is we're going to extend this out, because now once this bear trades, you're going to use the Fibonacci extensions that I already have. You're going to use the extensions to see where you can reverse. Okay. And it's the same thing that we saw earlier. Look, we reversed here on the 272. We had a beautiful pop right there. Okay. So that's good for a scalp. Then we came down to the 50, and this was the low of the day right here. So 50% extension right here, all the way down. And then we pop back up into the close right there. Okay. Boom. So there we go, guys. Very clean price action, tradable. The main thing is draw your fibs correctly and come learn with me. If you're struggling, buy the book if you need extra help. But what makes Fibonacci so powerful is this. Listen, risk to reward. If you can come in here and short the 786, and I know a lot of people did that today. A lot of people sent me messages. If you come in here and you short the 786, guys, okay, and you put a stop loss here at the high of the day, when we make a new low here, you're already at almost 4 times your money. If you hold all the way to the 50, that's 6 times your money. So in theory, if you take this trade and you make 6 times your money, and then you can go ahead and lose the next 6 trades and break even. That's the power, okay? Versus this, a lot of people are going to do this instead. They're going to get in here when we make a new low, and they're going to be fighting for the scraps. And you're barely going to be able to get any profit. And then when you think you have profit, then the market is going to reverse back on you. That is the story of the game. Breakout trading is a very, very hard way to make money. It works in certain market contexts, but in this market, guys, you want to be doing pullbacks. Fibonacci's, put the Fibonacci on your chart. Get in a pullback, get a good deal. Fibonacci will always make sure you get a good deal. Always. Okay. And that is why I love it so much, because it's built into the trading style of Fibonacci to get a good risk to reward. Hit me with a 10 if you followed me so far. Did you enjoy that? Hit me with a 10. And I'm going to throw 2 more fibs here. This will be a little bit for the advanced people. But from here, we have a sequence Fibonacci leg, which is this high to low right here. So here's the high to the low. Boom. And then here's your 618. Okay. And we had a nice rejection from there. And then if you draw the opposing, which is here, this is on a 50 or a 618. Right there, 618. See, another 618. So you got 618 sandwich, 618 here, 618 here. So what I'm trying to teach you with this is look for good risk to reward. Don't chase. If you chase, you're going to get burned. Very simple. It's that simple. Okay. There we go. All right. So that's SPY, guys. So personally for me, what I took today was the 3-minute opening range breakout. So I went long right here on this candle, and I covered once we once we were about here, I covered. You could see me saying cover, cover, cover. Stops at break even, only a runner left. And I was done. I just took the orb because you guys know on Mondays, I like to make money and then just step aside because I want to start the week green. We did take this morning leg Fibonacci in the small account, and we got stopped out on that one. But I just wanted to show you, like, I don't trade all day long. Okay. But if you are, you should be doing a fib. You should. Okay. Yes, it works on everything. You just go do this on anything. Give me anything right now. Tell me one stock right now. Anything right now. So let's do 3. Anything you want. Just tell me right now. And I'm gonna pull up a chart and look at it with you. I guarantee you I'll find a Fibonacci. Guaranteed. So give me a name. Tesla. Okay. Let's do Tesla. Okay. So here we go. So here's Tesla. So we had the morning push up. So the morning leg. Okay. Here is your first vertical leg. So similar to SPY, the morning leg did not have a lot of strength, but we did bounce a few times. Okay. So look, Let's go to the 1 minute. You'll be able to see this clearly. Okay? So the first time we come to the 618, you see we do get a pop. So if you are an extreme scalper, this is what you do. You come in here and you play it level by level, starting from the 618. 618, big pop. 786, big pop. Okay, so these are scalping styles. Okay, there wasn't any home run, but there was a home run on the bear leg, similar to SPY. There was a home run there. So let's go back now. Okay, here was the bear leg. So once we have this push down, that's an impulsive leg down. You could see that there's a lot of force. Now you take it from the high to the low, and you can see right here, there we go, 618 again. So this was the 618 on Tesla. It took you to a new low of the day. That's the goal with the Fibonacci, take it to a new low of the day. And then if I draw the sequence leg, which is from this high to low right here, there's a 786 with an inverted hammer that took you into the close. Okay, what else do we have for me? Continue. I see so many now. Holy moly. Okay, let's go in order. American Airlines. Okay, American Airlines, this is an easy one. Here's your afternoon leg. So here's your full push, right? And you just take it from the high to the low. And you get a 50% rejection here with an inverted hammer. So there's your confirmation candle. There's your 50%. And then here's your 0.169 extension traded fully. And then we pop back up. Hit me with a 1 if you're following me right now. This is amazing stuff that I'm teaching you guys here. Hit me with a 1 if you're following me. Facebook. Okay, so here we go. Here's the 930. So the 930 actual morning leg on Facebook worked really well. We had that push right there. So if we go ahead and do this push here from high to low, this little push here, you can see it. Here's our 618, bam, fully pushed down. And you can see here, this was a full 1 move. So that is a full measured move. Then from there, what do you do? Okay, you wait for the afternoon leg. Here's your afternoon leg right here. You go from the high to the low right here. There's your 618, 1, 2, 3 rejection, pull over. And then if you want to get fancy, you pull the bull, which is the opposing leg. There's your bull on the 786, bam. Really, really good. Okay, I'm going to do one more. Let's do MU for this brother here. MU. So there we go, MU. So MU, very similar to SPY in the morning, where the first morning leg did not work at all. But if you just draw the afternoon leg here, you go from high to low. We have, like, it doesn't get better than that, guys. Look at that beautiful 618 rejection. You have a nice inverted hammer confirmation, and we roll over. Beautiful, guys. Like, I could do this all day long. And I just want to open your eyes. I think mostly everything will follow a fib as long as there's good volume, like decent volume. Like, it can't be a penny. I mean, even penny stocks probably will have it, to be honest. They will. When you take profits on the fibs, I have a whole course for that, brother. So just check out the other videos on YouTube, or you can grab the book. That's like a whole different concept. But with the fibs, it depends. If you're a scalper, you take it from fib to fib. If you want to hold for the home run, you look for a new low of day. You can also swing that. Works on all time frames. Where do stops go when trading the fib? The most conservative way is put it at the high of the day or the low of the day. So if you're going short, the high of the day. If you're going long, the low of the day. Okay. All right. Let me also just speak quickly before I forget this. We took 2 swing trades. We went long on Cisco here. So we went long on Cisco. We got a nice pop in the morning here. You could see, let me fix this. Yeah, so we went long straight away in the morning here, and we got a little pop. We hit a partial target, and then we started chopping. So nothing fancy. Procter & Gamble was a great one for us. So we went ahead and took Procter & Gamble here on this weekly chart, this inside bar. So we got filled in Procter & Gamble. Let me get the fill for you guys. 1 second. Let me just pull up the log. February. Procter & Gamble 149.48. Okay, so we went long Procter & Gamble. So these are swings. Okay, so I also do a lot of swings. I feel like the market is going to be opening back up to a lot more swing trades now. So I think it's a good time to start looking for good potentials. Okay, So we were able to get long on Procter & Gamble, guys. Took a little bit of heat, and then we closed positive, and now we're a little bit higher after hours. And the whole point of this is I'm looking for this inside bar to break out and then potentially squeeze into new all-time highs on Procter & Gamble. Very, very nice chart pattern here that I see here, guys. Look, this one right here, looking to, you know, get in at the lows and potentially squeeze into all-time highs. So there we go. What's the best time frame? All time frames, doesn't matter. It's the same Fibonacci legs. All right. So there we go, guys. It's 20 minutes in. I don't want to take too much of your time. I did 3, like I said. Tomorrow we'll do another 3. You could just keep bringing them to me every single day. I'll do 3 every day. Okay. So just bring the ones you want me to look at every day. We'll do 3 a day. Okay. Bollinger Bands are for higher time frames for investing. I mentioned it in a few of my other videos. I don't use Bollinger Bands for day trading. I only use it for investing on the weekly, monthly, those type of time frames. Okay. All right. So there we go, guys. Look, if you got any value at all from my Fibonacci lesson here, I promise you this book will be a great investment for you. It's $88.60, which is in honor of the 88.6 Fib. Definitely go ahead and check this out, guys. This is my first masterpiece I ever wrote. A lot of charts here, and here's a video you can look at as well. If you grab the book today, guys, you get 1 month for free in the room. You can trade with me live tomorrow if you're interested. And I have 2 other books here, one on SPY and one on stocks. And I think those are great tools for you guys. All right. Otherwise than that, guys, I want to thank you very much for your time. We're starting off the week green, and that's very important because we want to have momentum into the rest of the week. If you start off red, sometimes you get psychologically, you know, in a bad place and you can overtrade. So I'm going to starting off green, protect myself, and then just keep going, trying to stay on top of the green ladder for the rest of the week and just keep it that way. Okay. So thank you very much for your time. I really appreciate you guys. Please do comment. Let's do a giveaway right now. Hit me with a 5 if you want to do a giveaway. Hit me with a 5 very quickly if you want to do a giveaway. So I'm just going to pick one of my random videos here. Let's see. What do we have? Live videos. Okay, so I see you guys want some giveaways. All right, let's do this. Okay, so we are going to do the video with this one. So S&P 500.
eBay Motors.
Okay, 1 second. All right, so here we go. S&P 500, perfect day, no losers, Fibonacci masterclass. Definitely check this one out. What is this? See, look at these scammers, guys. Stay away from these scammers, man. There's a lot of them. I don't do anything in WhatsApp, guys. Like, that's all scammers, okay? But here we go. So whenever you comment on my videos, guys, you have a chance to win a giveaway, okay? Every week I do giveaways. So here we go. So let's do a giveaway for this one. Please watch this video if you haven't. This one is very good. So 54 comments. So let's do a random number generator right now. Random number generator. And let's go number 1 to 54. 3, 2, 1, go. Number 36. Okay. So let's do this. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Boom. Jason, to say 36? Okay, yeah, there we go. So Jason Porteous, thank you very much for your comment, brother. You won the giveaway. You get 1 month for free in the room and a book of your choice. Please just DM me on Twitter and I'll verify your YouTube account, make sure we're all good, and then I'll get you all set up with your 1 month for free. All right, guys? So make sure you comment on these videos, man. I do a lot of giveaways. Trust me, a lot. So do let me know what you think about the fibs. Let me know what you get, what you don't get, etc. And we'll keep building some more courses on this going through the rest of the week. Okay. So thank you so much for your times, my friends. I really appreciate you, and wishing you green for the rest of the week. Let's continue with this forward momentum. All right. I'll catch you tomorrow. Take care.